Imagine handing your entire project to a single incredibly talented person. The research, the coding, the writing, the reviewing, all of it all at once. They might pull it off, but their attention is split a dozen ways and there's nobody standing by to catch their mistakes. Now picture a small team instead, each person an expert at just their piece, passing work to each other and checking it as they go. That second picture is the whole idea behind a multi-agent system, and for genuinely hard problems it can outperform the lone generalist. Let's take that team apart and see exactly how it fits together. So how do you actually wire several agents together? Think of it like a small team, each member with a clear job. Follow them one at a time. It starts with a planner. This agent takes the overall goal and breaks it into subtasks, deciding who needs to do what. It doesn't do the hands-on work itself. Its whole job is to carve the problem into pieces the rest of the team can each pick up and run with. Next come the worker agents. Each one is a specialist, tuned with its own prompt and its own tools for a single job, maybe a coder, a researcher, and a writer. Because each handles just one subtask, its context stays focused and it can do that narrow job really well. Then a critic steps in. This reviewer agent checks the worker's output against the goal, catching mistakes the doers missed, the way a fresh pair of eyes spots the typo you read straight past 10 times. Separating the doing from the checking is a big part of the payoff here. Finally, an orchestrator ties it all together. It routes work between the agents, passes messages and results around, and assembles their pieces into one final answer. In Anthropic's own research system, a lead agent played exactly this role, coordinating subagents that explored in parallel. So why bother with a whole team instead of one capable agent? Here's the trade side by side. A single agent doing everything has to hold the entire task in one head. Its context gets crowded, its prompt tries to be good at everything at once, and it becomes a single point of failure because if it drifts off track, the whole job goes down with it, with nobody there to notice. Multiple specialists split that load between them. Each agent owns a focused role, so its context stays clean and its prompt stays sharp. They can run in parallel, a separate critic reviews the work, and distinct expertise gets applied exactly where it's actually needed. Strip it down, and 3 ideas carry a multi-agent system. It splits work across specialized, collaborating agents. Instead of one generalist, you get a team of focused roles, planners, workers, and reviewers, all coordinating to reach a single shared goal. The gains come from 3 places. Focus keeps each agent's context tight and its prompt tuned to one job. Parallelism lets independent subtasks run all at once. And a separate critic catches errors the original doer would have happily shipped without a second thought. But it certainly isn't free. More agents mean much higher token cost and latency, real coordination overhead, and the risk that one agent's bad output quietly poisons the rest, so reach for this only when the task genuinely benefits. Alright, let's lock in what matters. These systems split a task across several specialized agents that collaborate, rather than relying on one agent that must do absolutely everything itself. The team usually includes a planner that decomposes the goal, worker agents that each handle a subtask, and a critic that reviews the work, often coordinated by an orchestrator. Common structures include a supervisor coordinating workers, a pipeline where each agent handles a stage, or a debate where agents argue toward a better answer. And the payoff comes from focus, parallelism, and independent review. The catch is real cost, since more agents mean more tokens, latency, and coordination, so use several only when the task truly benefits. If breaking AI down like this is your thing, there's plenty more where this came from over at standarity.com. Come join us.